Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this quick tutorial, we will explore how to effectively search for data within your Google Sheet. So let's start the video. First, open your Google Sheet where you want to search for data. So for example, I have this data with some name. So what am I gonna do is find a particular name. So to do that, I am going to press Ctrl F on my keyboard. This is gonna open up the Find tool. And then here is the search option. Now type the text or number you want to search. It's gonna bring you to that line. There you have it. If this video helped you guys, then please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.